In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for Social Security retirement benefits online. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to ssa.gov, or also known as socialsecurity.gov. From here, it should bring you something like this once you get inside of the page. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the menu and go over to where it says benefits, and right underneath it says by phase, you'll need to click on apply. From here, you'll be able to go into the apply section for the Social Security benefits. From here, you'll need to answer whether or not you're an adult, which means over the age of 18, or a child under the age of 18. From here, you can choose what you want to apply for, and that is either retirement, family, disability, survivor, lump sum death payment. From here, you'll simply need to click retirement or any other of your choosing. You can also down here add a supplement security income if you want to do that, either supplement security income via disability or supplement income for ages over the 65 age. From here, you'll simply need to click on the specific one that's suitable for you and click learn how to apply. From here, it should bring something like this where you can see that you apply for an adult over the age of 18 and retirement. From here, you'll simply need to scroll down until you see submit an online application. From here, you click apply online. From here, a new tab will open up where you can see this page right here. And here you'll need to read about the benefits application, terms and service, and it's very important that you read everything about this so you can fully understand it. From here, you will need to click understand and agree to the above statement and click next. From here, you can see you can apply online for retirement Medicare benefits. And from here, you'll simply need to see that you'll need to get ready by making sure that you meet the requirement to apply online for retirement or Medicare. And 2, you'll need to gather all the information you need to complete the application progress. From here, you'll need to go down to apply and complete. You'll need to click start a new application. From here, you can see who is completing this application and whether or not you are helping for yourself or applying for yourself, or you're helping someone who's not me and therefore cannot sign the application at this time. From here, you'll just need to click apply for myself, and do you have my Social Security account? And here you'll just need to click yes or no. From here, you'll need to click next, and from here you'll be able to sign in using your login.gov or sign in with the id.me. Once you've done that, you'll simply need to follow the process of applying for Social Security retirement benefits, and then from here you'll need to send the application. From here, you'll get an email that you have sent successfully, and you'll get a mail whether or not you have been approved for the retirement benefits. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!